I tested Higgsfield and Topview with a pretty simple question in mind. If I only had time to use one, which one would actually help me make better videos? And honestly, the answer isn't as obvious as I expected because these two tools approach video creation from completely different directions. One is more about creating attention-grabbing visuals, while the other is much more focused on turning ideas and products into content people can actually watch and act on. Let's start with Higgsfield. If you're trying to create a video that looks different from the usual AI-generated content, this is where I'd start. You can take an idea and turn it into cinematic-looking scenes, experiment with camera movement, and create visuals that would normally take a lot more time to produce manually. For creators, that's useful because the visual itself can become the hook. You don't need to explain why someone should keep watching if the first shot already makes them think, wait, how did they make that? But there's another side to video creation that gets overlooked. A great looking shot doesn't automatically make a great video. You still need a strong idea, a decent script, good pacing, and something that gives the viewer a reason to keep watching. And that's where Topview starts to make more sense. Topview is much more focused on content production and marketing. If you're a business owner, agency, freelancer, or creator making product videos, ads, or social content, the goal isn't necessarily to create the most cinematic shot possible. The goal is to take an idea or product and turn it into something that communicates quickly. That's a completely different problem. So I wouldn't compare them by asking which one has the better AI. I'd compare them by asking what kind of video are you actually trying to make? If I'm creating a cinematic social video, a product concept, or something where the visual needs to grab attention immediately, I'd lean toward Higgsfield. If I'm trying to turn a product, script, or marketing idea into a video that can actually be used for social media or advertising, I'd give Topview the advantage. And here's something I learned from testing tools like these. A more impressive AI generation doesn't automatically mean a better performing video. Sometimes a simple video with a clear message will outperform a gorgeous cinematic clip that doesn't tell the viewer why they should care. So, which one wins? For visual creativity, I'd pick Higgsfield. For marketing focused content, I'd pick Topview. And if you're serious about content, I'd choose based on the bottleneck in your workflow, not whichever tool is getting the most hype this week. Now, I want to know what you're creating. If you could only keep one for your next project, would you choose Higgsfield or Topview? Comment below and tell me which one you'd pick and what kind of video you're planning to make.